If you want to change volume on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. Of course, we can open settings on our phone and then over here go to sounds and vibration, and then just go to volume in here in order to find many different sliders, and you can adjust the loudness for each of these things just by moving left and right. So you can change the ringtone volume, the media volume, the notification volume as well. There is the system sound, AI assistant sound, and the alarm sound volume. For each of these things you can adjust it in here. And besides that, what you can also do is you can press volume up and volume down button. If you just press one of these two buttons, then you can change the volume level for media. But if you tap on these three dots that we have on the top, then you should be able to open this section where you can change the loudness for system sounds, notification sounds, AI assistant, ringtone, and media in here. Now, besides these two methods, there's also the third option. If you go to the control center or quick settings, then over here we also have the slider for media, but that is just for the media itself. So we can move left and right in here to adjust the loudness for that. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.